Strip by Strip, a quilting journey. This is strip number 91, and I am just having so much fun being creative. Anyway, so for 99 days, I am sharing 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips using free motion quilting and ruler quilting. So today we're going to be combining my Sway 4 and also my Sway 3 machine quilting rulers and a little bit of free motion quilting to quilt out this fun design. I think on the right quilt, it really could be, you know, the perfect border or sashing. I just love it. Anyways, before we do hop into the machine quilting, make sure you run over to our website and grab our companion design workbook. In that workbook, I've included not only the piecing pattern to make a quilt top like this, however, you would need to make 4 of these if you want to quilt all 99 of these designs. But we've also included all 99 designs illustrated in full color. And they have our QR codes on each of those. So when you scan those QR codes with your smart device, it'll actually take you to each of these videos where I'm showing you how to do the machine quilting. So that workbook is an awesome resource for inspiration. Anyways, we're going to be doing ruler quilting today. So you want to make sure that you do have a ruler foot and you also have a ruler base. Let's hop down here to my machine and let's get stitching. All right, so to quilt out this design, we're going to be using the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler, and we're not doing any marking. We're just using the markings on the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler. This circle end here is designed for quilting, meaning I've taken into consideration that when you're using a ruler foot, from your needle position to the outside of your foot, you're adding 1/4 of an inch right there. So these rulers are all designed taking that into consideration. This circle end is designed for quilting a perfect 4-inch circle or a perfect 3-inch circle, and the concave side is designed for quilting a perfect 4-inch curve, a perfect 3-inch curve, and then the hook end down here on the bottom of the rulers is designed for marking. We're not going to be doing any marking today. Let's just get right into the quilting. All right, so I'm going to be lining up this straight line right here through the center of the circle end of the Sway 4, right on top of that ditch. Then I'll engage my machine. I am stitching in the stitch regulated mode, and I do have my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. I'll apply gentle pressure here on my hand, pushing down and also against the side of the foot, but really, really gentle. Naturally, you're going to want to push really hard, but gentle pressure is actually key. So I'll engage the machine and stitch around that curve. So at this point, I could go through and quilt all of the 4-inch curves all the way around, but because I want to show you how to do the whole design, let's jump right to the Sway 3 machine quilting ruler. So I'm going to now travel across my ditch right here, moving over a 1/2 inch. And I'm just eyeballing where a 1/2 inch is. When I use my ruler, I can adjust to the right position. So next, I'm going to be lining up this lightly, kind of heavily dashed marked line on that concave side of the Sway 3 machine quilting ruler. I'll be lining that up right on top of that previous stitch line. So I'll line it up like that, apply gentle pressure and stitch about up here somewhere in that area. Then I'll stop with my needle in the down position, readjust my ruler or reposition it, and then quilt the rest of that curve. All right, so I have the 2 curves quilted. Now I'm going to fill it in like I've done over there with some pebbles. Notice as I'm quilting these out, I like to use an over-under method and just fill in all the way. I may have to adjust my size slightly as I reach that side, but just kind of making adjustments as I go. I love it. All right, so I'm just going to continue repeating this, working all the way across this 2-inch strip. thanks for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated, plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!